Hi, baby. You want to show us your new trick with your wrist? Come on, do this. Do this. Show me your hand how you go like this. Let me see. Let me see it. Ouch. That was loud. Go like this. Go like this. Don't feel like you're doing it right now. Baby. Baby. Go like this. Baby. Go like this. There it is. Who taught you to do that? You just started doing that all by yourself? Bebe. Are you done? No more for mommy? Bye. Bye, Dada.